Dear students, I am Mrs. Sajeta and I am a teacher of math subject. I'm sure you all are doing well. Well, in this session, we are going to learn about the topic enjoy with numbers. Okay, so by end of the session, you will be able to understand and learn to write numbers that are less than the given number and more than the number. Okay, so shall we start now? I repeat, we are going to learn about the chapter Enjoy with Numbers, and the topic is more than and less than. So let me show you the PPT and explain to you how to write the number which is less than a given number and more than a given number. Okay, so here I will be sharing the PPT with you. I hope it's visible. All right. So we are learning more than and less than. Okay. Now you can see a number grid where the numbers are from 301 to 400, right? And you can see that number 366 is circled. Okay. So the number 366, how do we write or how do we know which number is, before 366 and after 366? Okay. And how do we write in more than and less than? When I say one less than the given number, now here the given number is 366. When I say one less than the given number, then you should always write the before number. Okay, you have to minus 1 from 366. Okay, when I say minus 1, which place you will minus from? From the ones place. So from 366, if I minus 1, that means if you left 1, how much will you get? 365. Okay, so let us see that. Yes, now 365 is the answer. That is 1 less than 366. That is 1 you have to minus from 366. So the answer is the before number. That is 365. Okay, now coming to, let me read this for you. In a number grid of 100, one step left, that means one step to the left is 1 less than. That means the number what you write before the given number is 1 less than. Okay, now if I ask you, just imagine I'm asking about 334. 1 less than 334 is, what would be the answer? 334 is here. If I'm saying 1 less, it becomes 333. Okay, another number, 385. Now I'm taking the number 385. So 1 less than 385, that means before number. So how much is it? 385, 1 less becomes 384. Is that clear? Now, whenever I'm asking you or whenever we say one more, okay, whenever we ask one more than the given number, then it is always the next number. Okay, that is one step forward, the next number. So 1 more than 366 is, 1 more than 366 is 367. 1 more you have to write in the ones place. That becomes 7. Okay, 367. So 367 is equal to 366 plus 1. That means 1 more than 366. So in a number grid of 100, one step to the right, to your right side one step is 1 more than. Okay, whenever we are saying 1 more than the given number, we have to immediately say the next number, that is forward counting. when we ask about one less than a given number, then always you have to come one step backward. Okay, so that would be the answer. In this case, it is 365. That's clear how to do it? Now let me ask you a few more sums, few more questions from the same number group. Okay, so what is one more than 337? One more than 337. So we have 7 here. You just have to make the next number in the ones place. That becomes 338. Now if I ask you one less than 315. One less than 315. 1 5. It is 314. Okay, so you have to practice this. Which number? What is the answer if you add 1, and what is the answer if you minus 1? Okay, one more, one less. All right. Now let us go to the next one. Again, number 366 is marked. Now what is it this time? We have done one more and one less. Okay. So now let us learn 10 more and 10 less. Okay. Just compare. When I said one more, one less, we changed the ones place. That means one less in the ones place or one more in the ones place. Right? Now we are learning 10 more and 10 less. Okay. So in this, here the number which is given is 366. Okay, 366. Now 10 less. When I say 10 less, you have to do less in the 10th place. So the answer would be 356. Now if you observe here, the number what was given, yes, the number what was given was 366. What did we do? We did 10 less. Okay, so what happens? In the 10th place, the number becomes less. Okay, so 66. In the 10th place, when I make it one less, it becomes 5 here. We have 6 in the 10th place. And when I say one less, it becomes 5. So the answer would be 356. Okay, so 366 minus 10. Okay, you have to do it quickly. How? When I say 10 less, you have to less one number from the 10th place. When I say one less one number from the ones place. Okay, this is how you can do it quickly. Right now you understand how to do it, and then I will ask you some more questions. Okay, so I will repeat it again. Now here we have the number 366 minus 10. That means 10 less. When I say 10 less, you have to make a number less in the 10th place. Here, what in this number, what do we have in the 10th place? 6, right? So when I say 10 less, in the 10th place, you have to make one number less. That becomes 356. Is that clear? Now I'm going to ask you a question today. Now, consider the number 343. Okay? Keep your eyes on the number 343. If I say 10 less than 343, what is the answer? Keep your eyes on the number 343. Okay? And when I say 10 less, what is the answer? It's 333, isn't it? Okay, another one. The number 378. Okay, the number 378. When I say 10 less than 378, what is the answer I would be getting? Remember, it is in the 10th place, you have to make it less. Now 378, in the 10th place I have 7. So what would be the answer here? 368. Okay, so I hope that is clear now. Now, yes, in a number grid, of 100, the number above is 10 less. That means in the number grid, when the number grid is given, if anyone asks you, or if you have to find out less than 10 less than the given number, then the number will be usually upward. Now you can see 366 here, the number is given up here. Okay, so I asked you about 343. 10 less than 343 is 333. So the number is given upward. Okay, now when I ask you, what is the answer if it is 10 more than 366? 10 more than 366. When I say more, the number will increase, right? So in which place will it increase? It will increase in the 10th place, that is 376. It was 6 in the 10th place, now it becomes 7 in the 10th place. Okay, it will be more, one number more in the 10th place, because I'm asking 10 more. Okay, so 376. All right, now let me ask you some more questions. What is 10 more than 382? Think and answer. What is 10 more than 382? The number 382 is here. Keep your eyes on the number 382. When I say more, the number will be given below. Okay, that means in the 10th place, you can see an increase in one number, more in one number, that is 392. Okay, so here, this is for 376, which is equal to 366 plus 10. So the same thing they will be giving here, that is in a number grid of 100, the number below is 10. The number below given number is 10. If it is given above in a grid, then it is less than 10. If it is given below, so you can see this number which is given below means down, then it is more than 10. Okay? Yes? Is that clear to you? All right. Now, coming to the next one. First, we learned about one more and one less than a number. Next, we learned about 10 more and 10 less. And now we are learning 100 more, 100 less. Okay? By now, you must be able to understand how to do this. When I say 100 more than a given number, which place will change? The 100th place. The number in the 100th place will be the next number. When I say 100 less than the given number, which place will change? The 100th place. And what would be the answer? The before number. The previous number of the given number will be the answer. Right? Okay, now let us see in this example here. Number 366 is given. So 100 more than 366. In the 100th place we have 3. So 100 more is 466. So you can see 66 remains the same, but in 100th place it has become more. We are writing the next number, that is in place of 3 we are writing 4. That is 466. And when I say 100 less than 366, we have to write the before number. Okay, before number of 2. What comes before 3? 2. Right? So 266. Is that clear? When I say 1 less, 1 more, there will be a change in the 1's place. Okay. When I say 10 less, 10 more, there will be change in the 10's place. And when I say 100 less, 100 more, there will be change in the 100th place. Okay, you have to keep that in mind. Okay, so that is all here. Yes. So that is how you can write less than and more than a number. Okay. Now you have to solve a worksheet. I hope you all have the grid ready, number grid ready. I told you to keep it ready, right? So I'm going to show the worksheet now, and you're going to take out your number grid along with the colors which I've told you. Okay, and then we will do the worksheet. Shall we do it now? Are you ready? I hope your things are ready. All right, so now I'll be sharing the worksheet. So children, here is the worksheet. I'm sure you are ready with your material like colors. I told you you have to get green, red, pink, brown, blue and yellow color, right? And also a number grid, which is the number, which shows the number 500, 1 to 600. Okay, so now what should we do? How would we know what to do? We have to always read the instructions. Let us see what we have to do. Okay, color the numbers in the grid below as per the instructions. That means we have to color the number as per the instructions given here. You can see A, B, C, D, E, F, right? So we have to read one by one and do it. Okay. All right. Let us do the first one now. 100 more than 500. First, you locate the number. 100 more than 500. What is the answer? Are you ready with the answer? 100 more than 500. So which place should change? 100 place. So what is the answer? 600, right? So you have to give this green color. You have to give green color to the number 600. Okay? Is it clear how to do it? They have given you what to do and then they have written the color in front of it. So whatever you get as the answer, you have to give the same color. Okay? So we got the answer 100 more than 500 is 600. So you have to give green color to this number, that is 600. Alright? Now let us go to the next one. 1 less than 552. First you see where is 552. Okay, now what is 1 less? 1 less. Okay, 1 less than 552. What is the answer? 551. And which color should you give it here? Brown. So you have to color brown there. Okay, I hope it is done. Next one. 10 less than 587. So what you have to do, first mark 587. Where is 587? Oh, here. Okay, that is 587. Now 10 less. When I say 10 less, locate the 10th place and make it less. It will come above the number. It will come above. Okay, so what is the answer? 500. 587 is here. So it is 577. So which color should you give it there? 577 should be colored in red. Very good. Next one. 1 more than 513. So you have to first locate 513. Now 1 more. 1 more. That is the next. Okay. In the ones place, it is the next number. The ones place, 1 more. So what is the answer? 514. So which color should you give? You have to color 514 with blue. With the color blue. Okay. Now let us go to the next one, that is 100 less than 602. 100 less than 602. When it is the 100th place, when they are asking about 100, that means it is in 100th place. Now you have to less one number from the hundreds place. So what is the answer you're getting? 502. And which color will you be giving here? Which color? It's color pink. Okay, so you're going to color 502 with pink. Okay, the last one now. 10 more than 524. 10 more. Where is 524? Over here, isn't it? Now 10 more. 10 is the 10th place. More is the next number in the 10th place. Okay, it will be given below the number. That means the number is 524. It will be given over here. That is 534. And which color will you be giving? Yellow. Okay. So I'm sure you got it right. Yeah. Very good. If you have got it right, you have to put a small star there for yourself. Okay. You deserve a star. All right. So that is about more than and less than. One more and one less. 10 more and 10 less. 100 more and 100 less. Okay, so this is a worksheet which we discussed together, right? All right. So now you have to do an exercise on your own. Okay, so I will guide you how to do it, and then you have to do it independently, because by now I'm sure you have got it how to do. All right, so let me share the book with you. So children, this is the textbook, and the sums are given in page number 28 and 29. So you have to solve only two exercises, that is second and the third one from exercise 2.1. You can see this exercise here, exercise 2.1, and you're solving question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, so what is given in question number 2? First, let us read the instructions. Here I'm just telling you how to do it, and then you will do it as a homework. Okay, so write the number which is one more than and one less than the given numbers. So here the number is 367. So what you're going to write? The number which is one more than 367, that answer you will write here. And one less than 367. So when I say one more, one less, you have to do more and less in the ones place. Okay, the same thing over here, 263. So one more in the ones place and one less in the ones place. Okay, coming to the next one here, complete the table given below. So they have given the numbers here, 217, 580, 435, 721 and 300. So you have to write the number. This is 10 more than the given number. So here the given number is 217. I'm going to tell the answers to the first one. Let me tell you how to do it, and then you can continue with the rest. Okay. So here 217. 10 more. 10 more than 217. So in the 10th place, you have to do more. That is the next number in the 10th place. That is, what is the answer? 227. Okay. Now coming to the next one. 10 less than this number. 10 less than 217. Now you have to do less. 10 less. That means in the 10th place, you have to do one less. That is 207. Okay. There is 1. You have to make it 0. 207. Now 10 more than. Oh, here. Okay. I'm sorry. It's 100 more than. 100 more than this number. 217. What is 100 more? That means the next number in the 100th place. That is, what is the number here? They have given 2. 200. So you have to change the 100th place. The next number in the 100th place becomes 300. So 317. Okay. Now the next one here, 100 less than. So coming back to 217, 100 less. Take one step back. We have 200. So 1 less, that becomes 117. Is that clear? So I hope you understood how to do it. So you'll have to solve two questions of the exercise 2.1, which is in page number 28 and 29. Okay, there's question number 2 and question number 3. All right. So do your homework, concentrate, understand which place you have to change based on the question, and do it. Okay. So I'm sure you have understood the topic more than and less than. All right. Keep practicing to do it better. All right. So that is also today's class, children. I'll see you in the next class. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.